guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making over my bedroom. I'm just showing you a little before. It is quite a mess. Ignore my husband's gun safe. It has crap all on the top of it. I did not do that side of my room yet, but we just did the main portion of my room. My room is a weird L shape. My mom did come to help me with this. So we just started by cleaning the room. And then I just changed my bedding and some of the wall decor. And yeah, I'm just going to cut on the music and you can see where it goes from there. So I've had some comments of my husband like laying on the bed and playing on his phone or on his Game Boy or video game or whatever. He works 2 jobs. He is on call 24/7. So if he wants to lay on our bed and play a video game while I clean up, when I get to stay at home all day and do whatever I want, I'm perfectly fine with that, and I hope you guys are too. He works really hard, so please stop hating on him for that. So I got this bedding at Marshall's, and if I can find it online, I'll try to link it below. It is Nicole Miller, I believe, and it's just a blue velvet bedspread with pillowcases, and I thought it was so beautiful, and I didn't want to make the room too girly, so I tried to like do kind of a boy color for Wes, but if I had it my way, the room would be like all white or pink or God knows what, but it was mostly purple and gray before this with some silver. But our room had been the same colors and style and decor for about 4.5 years now since we moved to this house, and I was just ready for a change, so now is the time. Now I will say I did not wash this bedding before putting it on our bed, and I probably should have. So I did think about that like the next day, and I went ahead and threw it in the wash machine, but I was just so excited. I just bought it and I was ready to get everything put out and see what it looked like together. So I did wash it all the next day just because I'm a germaphobe, and yeah, you really should wash your clothes and bedding and anything like that before you use them. So yeah, before you bash me in the comments, I know it's coming. So my side is over here on the left and Wes's is on the right. I found these little believe and dream signs at Marshall's as well. And I did end up changing this sign above our bed. I did get that at Hobby Lobby, but I did end up putting it back up. We had put a wreath up there and it was really pretty, but I didn't know where else to put this sign, and I really liked it above the bed, so I did end up putting it back up there. So I did get this Tahari home shower curtain, and then this memory foam bath mat just to have my master bedroom match my master bath, because both were decorated in like a royal purple and gray theme. So I had bought this Pioneer Woman laundry basket, but it doesn't match anything in our home, so I'll probably switch that out, but I just really like the floral design of it, but I'll have to figure out something else to do with that because it just doesn't match the theme in here now. And that yellow dresser in my bathroom, my mom did end up painting that like a dusty rose color for me while she was there. She's super helpful. I love it when she comes to visit. So here I just put out some of these fake flowers, and I have these willow tree little figures that we have gotten as gifts throughout the years. One was our wedding cake topper, and the other I think was a gift, but I can't remember. And then I had gotten Wes one when I was pregnant with Reagan of like a man holding a baby. So I'm not sure where that one is at the moment. So I had made this like gallery wall with a Bible verse decal that I had bought years ago when we first moved here, and then I just had my bridal portrait. It's just a canvas of one of my bridal portraits, and when I put this decal up, it was kind of like crooked and it just bothers me, but I never did change it. So it's time to redo that, but I still haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do over here just yet, if anything. So if you have any ideas, comment below and let me know. So I still had to finish the other side of the room. That is where my beauty room area was, but I had just kind of thrown everything over there for the moment. I am a makeup artist part-time, mostly just during wedding season, so I have all my makeup stuff over there, but I want to do something different over there. And around this time we were trying to conceive, so eventually that will probably end up being a little nursery area again. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks again. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.